Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shireen Abdullah. I am a conservationist and I am conserving butterflies for the last 10 years, but I would say more than 10 years. And today I am here with all those life stages with me. First thing, in a butterfly's life, a butterfly starts as an egg. The first thing in its life is an egg. Now, if you can see, there is this board, and if you can see, this is a butterfly. It's laying eggs. This is a Mormon, all right, and this one is an egg, right? If you can see, this is a very tiny sphere right here. A dot. It's a little faint because this egg is not alive. This egg takes 4 to 5 days, or within a week this egg hatches, right? And once the egg is hatched, we have a very creepy, crawly insect. This is a tiny caterpillar. I call it a larva. As you can see, I have put it in a bottle with leaves. Now these are the leaves that are taken from the host plants. Host plants are the plants from where you take the caterpillars from, or on the plants where a butterfly comes and lays eggs. The leaves I have are lemon leaves. The species that I'm conserving are from citrus plant and also curry plants. These are domestic plants, right? Now after some time, these tiny larvae grows bigger. When it is growing bigger, it will change its appearance. Now this kind of thing doesn't happen in all the species of butterflies, right? This happens in swallowtails, in mormons, in limes, okay? The only thing they do, they're eating leaves, right? And after some time, what happens, the skin becomes tight on them. They are already growing with new skin inside, and the outer skin is tight on them. So what happens, these tiny creatures, these caterpillars, come out of their old skin with the new skin. So this thing where they are taking off the skin is called ecdysis. And this happens in a few times. This happens in a caterpillar's life till it becomes a butterfly, right? And we call it instar. Now you can see this is a green caterpillar. Now this one is the caterpillar that we all know as a hungry caterpillar. This is basically the hungry caterpillar. You can see the front face of this caterpillar is called mandible, where the jaws are present. These caterpillars, which are not full-fledged insects, they are in a process where they're becoming an insect. The final insect is the butterfly. They have prolegs, and these are the true legs, 6 legs in front. So when the larva caterpillar is smaller, you feed them with baby leaves because their jaws are really weak. And when they grow bigger, you can feed them with larger leaves or tougher leaves. While it's eating and eating and eating, it becomes tired. When it is tired, it looks for a surface to cling on. And if you see its movement, it moves very fast. Even in the bottle, it moves very fast. When it is a mature caterpillar, it moves really fast. It looks for a surface to cling to. And when it finds its place, it settles over there. What it does, it stays over there and start curling up. Now, when it is curling up, we know that this caterpillar is pupating. It is going to become a pupa. When it spins a layer on it, it uses its spinneret. There is silk that comes out and the whole body gets covered, right? That shell and the caterpillar inside is called a pupa, a sleeping caterpillar. They stay in that pupa, and that pupa mostly we have green in color. But in cases we have pupa in light pink or peachish color or brown color. So it depends upon the chemical reaction that's happening inside that shell while it is pupating, right? So this is going to take 10 to 12 days to turn into a butterfly. When do we know that pupa is about to hatch? You can see the print inside. This is a lime swallowtail or lime butterfly, and it hatches like this. When I am holding a session, awareness program, I usually free a butterfly in the environment, and this is what I do. I collect all the caterpillars from wherever I can collect, and my garden is also a butterfly friendly garden. Butterflies comes and they lay eggs, and there's a whole process going on, but I can't leave it. This thing happened outside in the garden. I have to bring those caterpillars in captivity so that they raise in a bottle environment where there are no ants or birds which are a threat for them. So here I can't take them outside and free them, so I have a special net here. If you can see, I'm going to free butterflies in the net, and you will observe them. Today I had 5 butterflies. 2 of them I already freed in my garden, and 3 of them I brought here for this program. And very interestingly, these 2 butterflies, one is a male and other is a female, and one is a lime over here, a female lime with me. One thing I want you to see, these are empty chrysalis or pupa. Butterflies are very fragile. Caterpillars are more fragile because caterpillar is not a full-fledged insect. It is a state where insects something is changing into an insect. So be very careful while you are raising a butterfly. I don't think you have to do a lot to save a caterpillar. It's very simple. The ones that I work with are from the domestic plants, of course. And one thing that we should avoid is don't use insecticides or pesticides in your garden. Look for alternatives, home kitchen things to get rid of pests. And when you have all these garden insects in a chain in an ecosystem, they will automatically help these butterflies and other insects to grow. So I think saving just one butterfly, we think that it's nothing, but it has a great ripple effect in the whole world. Share your feedback and comments with me on ToffeeTV Facebook page, and log on to the website at ToffeeTV.com. Thank you very much. I hope you like this session, and thanks to ToffeeTV who gave you this opportunity to learn by sitting at home. Thank you.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.